$1,000 paydays are easy to achieve once you have the right information. Hi and welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about how to make $1,000 per day. Make sure to watch the whole entire video because at the end I'm going to be showing you a bonus method. Okay, we need to talk about hard work versus smart work. So generating $1,000 per day, you need to be putting in smart work. A simple example would be, let's say I want to lose weight and I want to burn 500 calories. I could burn that by going for, let's say, a 10-hour walk, or I could go for a run for an hour to burn that. What would be smart work and what would be hard work? Spending 10 hours or spending 1 hour? So that's the difference between the two. Okay, now with this method, you don't need to own your own product and sell your own product. We're going to be focusing on affiliate marketing, but we're going to be talking about it in a different way that you might not have heard before and what people aren't telling you. Affiliate marketing can be broken down into two categories, high ticket and low ticket. So basically with this here, a low ticket would be selling something in hopes to get a $20 commission. High ticket would be over $500 and more. So as you can see already, if you want to earn $1,000 per day, would you be focusing on small $20 sales, or would it be easier to sell to $500 sales? Do the maths. Now here's your biggest problem. It's incomplete training. So if you're searching around on YouTube or other areas looking for free training, often this training is incomplete and it leaves out the valuable pieces of the puzzle. And this is why if you've tried to make money online before, you might be doing all the work but with no results, and this is the reason why. What you need is the exact right tools so you can gain success. Now, if you're sick of being led down the wrong path and doing all the hard work with no success, I'm about to show you a complete system that's going to show you everything you need to gain success. There'll be nothing left out. By the time you finish this training, you'll know exactly what it takes to be able to make $1,000 per day. Now, a disclaimer, it doesn't mean that you can do no work and it's all going to happen for you. You need to put in the work. You need to have the right mindset. But once you go through the training, there's going to be nothing stopping you but yourself. So if you're ready to take that first step to success, click the first link in the description below to start to achieve your goals.